Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to start a basic spreadsheet. So first of all, in your PC you need to go into this search bar, click on it, and then here you will see this Excel software here. And if you don't see it, just type here like Excel, open it up, and from here basically you will see this kind of interface here. So basically if you want to start a new workbook, you can basically select this one, and if you basically want maybe you can say that a template, then you can basically use templates from here, but I will just choose this one here. So you have to click on this one, and after you click on this one, you will see this kind of interface here. So this is our table here, and these boxes are called cells here. Okay, so basically we enter values in these cells here, and these 1 2 3 4 and 5, these basically represent rows here, and these A B C and D and so on, these basically represent columns here. Okay, so now to basically make a basic spreadsheet here, you will enter some values here, maybe like 5 6 and 7 and 8, and now basically if you want to add them, you will just enter this formula here, which is equal to sum, and then basically select all of this from here and just close this bracket here basically and press enter, and here we have the sum. Okay, and basically if you want to customize the text, you can select the cells here, and if you want to center the text, just click on this one. If you want to make text bold, just do this one. You can basically change the font here, basically you can change the font size here basically, and you can basically give the cell different kind of colors as well. So just select any kind of color that you want. So that's how basically to start a basic spreadsheet. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.